Hey, are you dreaming of getting into the top business school in the USA but worried about GMAT score? Then I have a good news for you. Many of the prestigious business schools in USA are now offering GMAT free admission to management programs. In this video, we will explore some of the best business schools breaking the traditional norms and focusing on holistic candidate evaluations. Let's dive in.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Business schools are increasingly acknowledging that test scores like GMAT are not the only indicator of potential. Instead, they want to know about your work experience, leadership skills, and academic performance. Here are the top 5 business schools in the USA offering GMAT waivers or GMAT free admissions. Number 1. MIT Sloan School of Management. For courses like Executive MBA and MBA in Business Analytics, GMAT score is optional, whereas for MBA core, GMAT is a requirement. However, you can request for a waiver explaining the situation. If not GMAT, then what? This PE school prioritizes extensive work experience and demonstrated track record of leadership. Number 2 is Kelley School of Business, Indiana University. Kelley School allows applicants to weave the GMAT for certain MBA tracks, especially if they have strong professional experience or high undergraduate GPA. According to the official website, the B School's full-time plus flex MBA curriculum is academically rigorous. So if you want to avail of GMAT waiver, you need to provide other evidence of your academic potential. The B School waiver evaluates if you have a strong achievements in the prior degree programs and successful completion of analytic and quantitative coursework. Next up is the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern University. The Kellogg School of Management weaves GMAT GRE requirement for applicants with GPA of 3.4 or higher. This initiative helps to improve the access of prestigious programs by recognizing strong academic performance. By eliminating the need of standardized test score, Kellogg seeks to attract a diverse pool of talented candidates with leadership potential, work experience, and interpersonal skills. Number 4 is Emory University Goizueta Business School. Goizueta Business School provides a GMAT waiver for its part-time and executive MBA programs. As their program is small by design, they can evaluate each applicant thoroughly and assess academic readiness through transcripts and application materials. If the student wants to avail GMAT waiver, they must submit some additional documents such as essay, resume, potentially an interview, and practical experiences. At last, Rice University Jones Graduate School of Business. Rice offers GMAT waivers for its professional MBA programs. Applicants are evaluated holistically based upon work experience and academic achievements. If you want to avail GMAT waiver, you must submit standardized test waiver request and have a minimum of 3 years of professional work experience and showcase leadership abilities and career aspirations. So, here are top 5 business schools in the USA offering GMAT free options. Remember, applying without GMAT doesn't mean these programs are any less competitive. So, highlight your professional achievements, leadership potential, and academic rigor to stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone exploring MBA programs. Got questions about the application process? Drop them in the comment box and I'll be happy to help.